Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump, the one that you see right here. This one right here is from 2014, 2015. And as you can see in the date right there, for 2015. So it's been working already quite a while in there. And it was not able to push water as it used to anymore. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, coffee is coming out from the portafilter very nicely. Excellent color, really good crema forming at the top of the cup. Working very well. Nice shot of espresso. Really nice shot of espresso. You can see that the crema on the top, the layer of the crema. Good shot of espresso. Hot water for this machine. It's working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of this one. Working really good. And for the steam, you can see steaming perfectly fine. Excellent pressure. Working excellent, working great. Look at that pressure. Working the way it's supposed to. Alright, so there you have it, the DeLonghi espresso machine working once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.